Congratulations on being elected the president of your organization. In this video, we're going to go over 4 features specific to the president that you might not have seen in our previous video. These features will be surveys and forms, creating events, sending out emails, and creating your organization's website. The first thing that we'll do is navigate to your organization portal, which should look like this when you're an officer. First, we'll take a look at surveys and forms. After clicking on surveys and forms, we'll click on create. And for this video, I'll make a form. The first thing that we'll do is name our form. Next, we'll add our introduction. Finally, we can add our questions. Our question will be, what kind of pizza should we order for the meeting? Answer 1, we'll go with cheese, and we'll add one more option, which will be pepperoni. And we'll make it a mandatory question because everybody has to answer it, and we only want members of our group to be able to answer the question. And just like that, we'll save our changes, and our form is created. If you want to test your form first, just to make sure it's working, we can go to Preview Survey. I'm going to vote for pepperoni, and I'll submit. The next feature that we'll look at is creating an event. I'll navigate to Events, Create Event, and choose the blank event template. The event name will be RamConnect Training. I'll add my description. Event type will be leadership. And the tag is how you want people to be able to find your event. For mine, I'll try training. You can add more than one event tag if you would like. Your organizing team is who is organizing the event. The coordinator in this case is me, and I could also add other team members as well. You can choose when your event starts and ends, and you can choose where the event will be taking place. I'll say it's taking place in Sykes Ballrooms. Who can see the event location? I want anyone who can see the event to be able to see the location. I can add a photo for the event and a flyer. If there will be food provided, I can say that here. Who's allowed to register? I only want my group members to be able to register. I also only want group members to be able to see my event. Here, I can add some more registration options. If there's an attendance limit, I can say that here. Add reminders so that it'll automatically send a reminder, in this case 2 days before the event, and other various options here, such as how to track your attendance, which you can do via an ID swiper, if there will be speakers, and if there's an event waiver. Now I'll create my event, and I can find it here in upcoming events, which is happening right now. Next, I'll show you how to send out an email. We'll navigate to Emails. I'll compose a new email. I think I want every member of my group to receive this email, and I'll go to Compose Email for selected groups. I'm going to use the email builder. With this, I'll review all of the recipients. The subject will be test. I want it to come from myself. I don't need an introduction. Now I get to choose my template. This way it sends out looking like a newsletter, and you're sure to have people look at it. I think I'm going to choose this one. Now you can drag and drop all of the different elements that you would like to be a part of it. I can add an image here. I can add text, and you can see some of the other things you can drag over, such as your social media links, your upcoming events, news, etc. This will choose if I would like to send it out at a specified time, and I think I would like to preview my email first before it goes out. Yep, looks good. Now I will save and send my email. The last feature that we're going to take a look at is your website builder. Using the website builder, you can create your organization's own website that can be accessed by anyone. You can create the different pages that people can see. You can create the website menu. You can make new pages. Here, we're going to take a look at our news page. Right now, there is no news. I think I want to change that. I'll go up to the edit here. I'll delete the current no news. And I think I would like to add a paragraph. I also would like to add a photo to this. So I'll navigate over to Images. I'll upload an image from my computer. And I'll insert it. It's a little bit too big for what I'm trying to do, so I can click the corner and shrink it down. And I think I want it to be above my text. Now, obviously, this page would take a little bit more work, but everything else works the same way. You can just drag and drop everything from over on the left and put it where you want it to be. Thank you for watching the President's RamConnect video. If you need any help navigating some of the other various features that you can find on RamConnect, feel free to come to the Leadership Resource Center, which can be found in Sykes Room 217 in the Center for Student Involvement.